Hi folks, Jesse Randall, Director of the Forestry Innovation Center. I'm out here with Michigan State University in the Upper Peninsula on this beautiful fall day. It's a little windy, but it's not raining or snowing yet. Wanted to bring you an update on our sugar house build. You know, we had some delays. The pandemic caused some prices to go up, and there's actually a contractor shortage right now. And so we have our contractor and all their general subs identified, but it's been too late and too long of a slog, and I really didn't want them building in the middle of winter, and especially putting in the concrete in the wintertime. So John Ryan and I worked for a few days, and we've prepped the site. We had to level this site and bring in a lot of fill. So we brought in sand as our sub base. We've brought in some pit run that is just beautiful stuff, and that's going to go under our parking areas. So we need to finish all that off, but we aren't going to do that with the top dressed crushed rock until after the construction's over with. They're just going to pound the daylights out of it anyways. So you can see here, if we look over here, it's a 60 by 160 foot building footprint. We've got our corner posts in, so we're all ready come March, April when the contractors get here to build this site. You can see over here, if you remember in the past, there was a fairly sizable slope. And so working with John and some of the laser levels, we've come in and we've graded all of this area over here. We've stripped the topsoil back. We pulled out all of the clay that we needed to. Then we put the topsoil back on it, all right? And from this corner all the way down around where the septic field will be, we've got at least 4 to 10 inches, 12 inches for this slope. So all of the moisture and the water coming off this little hill slope is going to run down around the building and out into the hayfield. So this took a lot of time and effort on our part. But again, the more we're able to do with our own equipment and our own time here and there is saving us tens of thousands of dollars in the overall build project. And again, you know, during this time, everything's a little tight right now, so we figured we might as well do more of the work ourselves. Building a building like this really is outside our purview, and so the contractors will come in. They've been hired to do it. So we're very excited about this. This end is going to be a finished sugar house. We'll have a tank room, an RO room. We will have a modern maple kitchen and a production facility. And we'll also have a small little get-together room, or we'll expand that area as the confections and the kitchen area grows in need. Our hope is that we can work with some of the local producers here if they want to take that next step from liquid syrup to confections and make maple candy, maple cream, and other confections. We'll have a facility that will be open to them as they get started and learn from us. So we're very excited about this. Follow this along throughout next spring. During the syrup season, we'll be building this building. So with that, have a safe day, and like and share, please, so more and more people will know about UPR Forestry and MSU Forestry in the UP.